Top 5 attractions in Sofia. 1. The Alexander Nevsky Cathedral is definitely the most famous attraction in Sofia, a symbol of Sofia, and one of the most important religious places in Bulgaria. 2. National Assembly of Bulgaria, located in the heart of Sofia. It is not only a place of political importance, but also an impressive example of architecture. The building, which is the seat of the Bulgarian parliament, stands out for its classic and impressive design. 3. The National Palace of Culture, often referred to as the NDK, is certainly one of the most impressive things to see in Sofia. This massive building complex from 1981 is currently the Congress and Concert Center of the Bulgarian capital, where regular events take place. 4. Sveta Nedelya Church. This cathedral is centrally located near the so-called archaeological architectural complex and is also not far from the famous Vitosha Boulevard. 5. Banja Bashi Mosque. It is the largest mosque in the Bulgarian capital, Sofia, and moreover, one of the most important buildings of the Ottoman rule.